Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix Claude AI verification code not sending. If you are trying to receive a verification code and nothing is arriving, this process can help resolve common browser and connection issues that may be getting in the way. We'll begin by checking your browser and internet connection, and then we'll clear stored browsing data that may be interfering with the verification process. First, open your browser. Make sure you are using the browser you normally use to access Claude, so the troubleshooting applies to the same environment where the issue is happening. Once the browser is open, check your internet connection and run a speed test if needed. A weak or unstable connection can prevent pages from loading properly or stop verification requests from going through. If your internet seems slow, laggy, or disconnected, let it stabilize before continuing. This can save time and help you avoid repeating the same error. Next, look to the top right corner of the browser window and find the three-dot menu. This is where many browser controls and settings are stored. When you locate it, click on the three dots to open the menu. From that menu, click on Settings. This will take you to the main browser configuration area where you can adjust privacy and stored data options. After that, go to the Security and Privacy section. In most browsers, this section contains the controls for cookies, cache, and browsing data, which are often related to sign-in and verification issues. In the Security and Privacy area, click on the option to delete browsing data. This step is important because outdated cache files or corrupted cookies can sometimes block verification systems or cause a site to behave unexpectedly. When the Delete Browsing Data window appears, set the time range to all time. Choosing all time ensures that older stored data is also removed, not just recent activity. This gives you the cleanest reset possible within the browser. After selecting all time, click Delete to proceed. Then, when prompted or when the main deletion button is shown, click Delete again to confirm and complete the process. Depending on how much stored data your browser has, this may take a few moments. Once the deletion is finished, you can return to Claude and try the verification process again. Clearing the browser data often fixes issues caused by expired sessions or broken site data. If needed, give the browser a moment to refresh fully before retrying. That's the full process for fixing Claude AI verification code not sending by checking your connection and clearing browser data.